Hey guys, welcome to the video. This is ASA and today I'll be going through the XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro. The XP Pen India sent this pen display to me. So thank you XP Pen India, and this is a review unit, so this is not a brand new product, and that's why the power brick is missing from my box. But if you purchase the product brand new, you guys should be getting everything in the box intact. But other than the power brick, everything should be the same as my unboxing video here. And here is all the things you get in the box, including the 13.3-inch pen display, one height adjustable stand, one pressure sensitive pen, one male to female USB cable, and one 3-in-1 cable, and some documentation and a glove to keep your workflow smooth. With that out of the way, let's talk about how to connect this pen display to your computer. To connect this pen display to your computer, you need the 3-in-1 cable provided in the box. The Type-C will go to the Type-C of the XP pen display, and the other end of the cable with the two USBs and the HDMI will go to your computer. Red USB is for power and the black USB is for data connection. If you are still struggling with the connections, then you can just read the quick start guide. If you have connected the cables correctly, your computer home screen should pop up just like this. Open your browser, type in XP Pen driver, open up the first link, go to drivers download, find Artist 13.3, here you can see all the compatible devices and operating systems for the driver. You can download and install whatever is compatible for your device. After the installation, open up XP Pen driver. Here you can change and customize all the aspect ratios of the screen. Here you can customize the pen and the two shortcut keys on it, and change the sensitivity if you want. I will keep it at sensitive. Here you can customize all the shortcut keys on the left hand side. You can customize all the shortcut keys here. I will keep it at default. And the scroll wheel, if you want, you can customize the scroll wheel. I will keep it at zoom. And now to test out the drawing experience on this pen display, I am using Krita. The customizable keys are working fine. As you can see, I have set the scroll wheel to zoom. And the third key to brush size. The pen pressure is working smoothly. And responsively. The hit rate is very good. There are some misses, but it's fine. And the pen is very responsive too, and very smooth. And the fifth key is set to undo. Let's check out some different brushes. The first key on the pen is set to right click, and right clicking on the canvas opens up the brush wheel and the color wheel. Here you can change all the brushes and color and the canvas size. Let's set it to green. I am using a airbrush. It's a opacity brush and it's working very fine. On a opacity brush, if you press harder, it will become more opaque and thick. Let's check out some different brushes too. And here is some sketches I made using this pen display. Hope you will like it, and this is my first time using a pen display. So if I did anything wrong, please let me know in the comments. By the way, if you are thinking of getting a graphic tablet or a pen display, you can use my promo code StylishXP on their website to get an additional 5% discount on their graphic tablets and pen displays. I will link the XP Pen website in my description below. And with that, let's end this video here. I hope this video was informative to you. If it was, then please consider subscribing, and thank you for watching till the end.